Sup everyone, how are you doing? Today I'll open another thing I got from AliExpress. I think there is maybe 9 more packages I'll get from AliExpress in the next few days. So I'm not sure I'll record every single one, but let's at least record a few because I don't have many new video ideas. Here I have a ton of keychains. I have Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Bitcoin and Ethereum. So here I have, as you can see, Ethereum and Bitcoin keychains, and here I have Dogecoin and Bitcoin keychains. So I got everything in one package because I wrote that to the seller on AliExpress to put everything in one package. And now I'll open these packages. So let's see. Wow, this is a lot of keychains. So let me just quickly, let's see if I can move the camera down for you to see. Yeah. So here you have, let's unbox this one. So yeah, they are smaller than I thought. I thought they would be a bit bigger, but that's fine. They look really nice. Except this Bitcoin isn't really the most beautiful thing I ever seen. It could be better, but Dogecoin looks cool and Ethereum looks great. So yeah, a lot of keychains. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for today. Let me adjust this camera. So yeah guys, that's it for tomorrow. What the fuck? That's it for today guys. See you tomorrow.